Okay, so we stopped by to this United Postal Service to deposit a mail. And check out what I found in this commercial property. It's got a bunch of air conditioners. Right here's a rheem. This thing is caged up or something like that. It's from 2012. That's a 510. There's the Nordine. Oh, it's a Gibson. Okay. I was hoping this might have a nameplate. It's from 2007, and it's a 4-ton. There's this Nordine. This thing looks a lot newer than I thought. Over here we have a Goodman. So yeah, this thing's loud. So it's got a Copeland compressor. Hey, I can't. Well, I don't even know about this, but yeah, that's. I can't tell. So, might be from 2005. Here's a Aircon. Never heard of that brand before. It's kind of rattling. Okay, it's a 2-ton for a 13-seater, I think. Don't know what the date of manufacture is, so all I can say is a 2-ton. And there's a York, I think, or it's just a Unitary Products Corp or something. It's got a, I think it's a Bristol inside. I don't know. Yeah, pretty nice looking unit, actually. Okay, it's a 4-ton from 2005. Nice. It's a 4-ton from 2005, and there's more air conditioners over there, so I'm gonna have to like go over these branches over here. Damn. Yeah. There's an LG ductless unit up there. LG smart inverter. There's a Rheem Classic 9, I think. The one that I filmed back in the condo, my doctor's offices. It's a 2-ton from 1992. There's another Goodman. Looks like it's a pretty powerful fan, actually. Yeah, I do know this is a Goodman. We'll scroll. Oh, it's a 5-ton from 2006. Yeah. 5-ton from 2006. Alright. I'm not sure if there's like any other air conditioners, so yeah. This unit kind of looks like the one that YouTuber filmed at a church or something like that. But I'm surprised it's pretty quiet, actually. But yeah, there's an LG smart inverter. See if I can like get to the data on it. I really cannot. Anyways, it's over and out. Okay, here's what I found over here. Just a quick update. I think this unit is from the old Lennox panel right here. Wow, can't believe I found that. So the Lennox was a 5-ton from 1999, 24th week of it. So I think these are all 5-tons, and some of them are 3-tons. Anyways, I'm gonna have to like go back over here. Jeez, so cramped. Anyways, I guess over and out. And so one more update on this. This Aircon right here just turned off, and I do believe I can detailing that panel actually. Well, I can barely tell because I wasn't really concentrated. This is a 4-ton from 2005 as well. Anyways, yeah, that's the data. Yeah, Gibson and a rheem unit.